right, so here's project area number 3. Guys are working on getting this cleared out, where we've got this area which won't really have much of anything up until here, but we're going to do a stream waterfall through this whole area that ends right on the patio edge. So this area is going to get all cleaned up, and then we'll start building. All right, so this is his little pond he has here. This will stay because he's going to keep his cute little goldfish in this setup. Back over here, we've got our area for our vault aqua block setup done. We've got to clean up the edges, set our height, and then we'll be good and get that work done tomorrow. This is pure sand. This is what we call on Long Island sugar sand. Nice and easy to dig with, horrible to build with because it doesn't hold the soil. So if this was shelved in like a pond, like up front, everything will continue to collapse. You have to be so careful. So anytime we have sugar sand, which is a lot for us, we actually have very big shelves. So the one that we have that you just saw, most of our shelves are almost 24 inches. Some are even a little bigger, just because they're so soft and so difficult to rock out. Not a thing that a lot of the other guys have or even know about, but we do on the island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, we're kind of jumping around here right now, then getting this vault all, this area dug out for the vault and aqua blocks. Guys are working on digging it right now, setting the base. We're gonna have a pondless waterfall that comes and meanders from here, big drop here, pooling, twisting, turning, and disappearing up in this hillside. This is going to be the third feature we're going to build here. This one we won't start for about a day or so, but I want to get that area in, get water in there, filling that up,